What does investor behavior and flows tell you about how much legs the cyclical and value rally has?
This is really interesting because for a long time, value has been underperforming growth momentum and the broader market, and that is starting to turn a little bit in recent weeks. So value is the only factor to register positive inflows in June, and value-oriented exposures like European equities is actually looking as though it is going to register the first monthly inflows across ETFs and active products in June. We have had outflows in prior months and significant outflows at that. So it would appear that investor sentiment is turning around a little bit towards value and cyclical exposures. But if this is an investment or if this is a trade, the jury is still out there because we have had quite a few fall downs when it comes to the value rotation.
Okay, fine. What about European equities as well, Wei? Because you say that tactically you've been looking at laggards such as European equities. If you have a pro-risk stance and investors share your view on that, particularly if they've been on the sidelines so far, do you think they'd look to allocate more to Europe from here?
Investors have been looking to allocate more to Europe in recent weeks. The trend towards European equities actually started towards the end of May by European investors themselves, but the sentiment has actually since broadened out by APAC investors allocating to Europe equities, U.S. investors allocating to European equities. And once again, if this is a longer-term investment, the jury is still out there, but recent coordinated policies on the monetary front, but also on the fiscal front, some sort of debt neutralization definitely has been improving risk sentiment towards the region. And if you think about kind of coming out of a virus containment, Europe has been more prudent compared with the U.S. and has also been further ahead in the virus curve compared with the U.S. And that has been given comfort to investors in wanting to play the cyclical growth recovery through European equities, and we see them voting with flows.